Neha is also joining us on the broadcast at this point in time. Neha, the Supreme Court, as we know, will be hearing Tamil Nadu's plea regarding the Cauvery water dispute between the state and Karnataka today. Well, Karnataka says that it is not obliged at this point in time to give as much as demanded from Tamil Nadu and as per the order of 2018 because there is a shortfall of rain.
Well, absolutely. An attempt there by the state government to try and protect the state's interests over there as far as, the water resources are concerned. And this is, again, quite important here because, this comes at a time when we're seeing the matter having been, having reaching the doorsteps of the Supreme Court yet again. This time around, a new bench is, in fact, going to be hearing this entire matter. What is crucial is to really see how this pans out. Remember that, the riots that we saw, in fact, breaking out over the Cauvery water issue in the state of Karnataka many decades ago is still fresh in the minds of people. And at this point in time, both the state governments, the DMK as well as the Congress over here in Karnataka would not like to have that on their hands. So while we're talking about the plea that's been filed by the Karnataka government, of course, the petition in court right now, it's important that they mention in that plea, in fact, that, this isn't like a normal year. We're seeing that this is a year wherein there has been a shortfall, where there has been a deficit, and which is why the distress sharing formula between both the states needs to be re-looked at, and that's precisely why Karnataka government has gone on to move the Supreme Court. Now, also, of course, one may argue that the political relationship between both the states over here, Karnataka as well as Tamil Nadu, is quite dicey. While on one hand, the Karnataka government would, of course, like to keep the people who voted it to power happy, on the other hand, is a very, in fact, narrow path that they have to tread with the DMK government being the allies, of course, in Tamil Nadu. As far as the politics is concerned, of course, it's far from over. But as far as, the water sharing between both the states is concerned, hopefully we should see the Supreme Court, in fact, coming to a consensus today after hearing out the plea of both the states.
Right, Neha, appreciate you giving us the details there. Let me also go across to my colleague Dharani, who's joining us. Dharani, the DMK at this point in time, of course, has slammed Karnataka's defense and has said that every single water drop that Tamil Nadu is obliged to will reach the state no matter what. So DMK there being quite stern about its demand of 24,000 cusecs of water from Karnataka.
The DMK has been facing pressure from both the ADMK and BJP as far as the Cauvery issue is concerned. Since the DMK and Congress are in alliance here, BJP and the ADMK are accusing the ruling party of playing the alliance card. So that's what has led to the DMK going to the Supreme Court now, and they are in their stand that somehow they will get their due share of water for this year because the farmers in the delta regions of Tamil Nadu are totally dependent on the Cauvery water for irrigation. And since this year Tamil Nadu has not received its full share of water yet, the agricultural production in the delta regions of Tamil Nadu are going in a bad situation. So the chief minister is also under pressure to get Tamil Nadu's due share of water. But on the other side, Karnataka is of the opinion that this is a rainfall less year. There's a 25% shortage in rainfall, and the inflow of water in the reservoirs is also very less. So this is not a normal year. This is a distress year, and during the distress year, Tamil Nadu cannot expect their full share to be given what Karnataka is selling on the other side. So basically, this is turning out to be a war between Tamil Nadu government and the Karnataka government. But today also the Supreme Court, Tamil Nadu will stand firm in their stand that they will be wanting their due share of water because the farmers in the delta regions of Tamil Nadu here, their farming is totally dependent on the Cauvery water, and it's not for the Cauvery water, the agricultural production in Tamil Nadu, especially the production of rice, will go down.
Right, Dharani, appreciate you joining us and giving us an understanding there on that story.